Abby was the last rider on the race.
I think last time I seen Royce, he was having a little afternoon nap.
Yeah, Royce, he had a little nap on the bus after the picnic. And instead of free time, decided he better just tuck around on his bed.
He was doing what I was feeling.
I wish I could take afternoon naps like that.
That is for sure.
All right, good job, Royce.
Okay.
Gotta get 3 in here. Whoop. Gotta get 3 in.
All right, so last rider.
Whoa!
Karen and Jeremy. What's it going to be, guys? Make it
There's
quick
one.
for the red ribbon.
This is a close one.
Whoa! So close.
Let's see what you can do.
Come on. 2. Go, Ray, go.
Get ready going. You can get in on this race yet, too.
There you go. You got it.
Oh, it's going to be a race for the whole stretch.
Turn them around. Get
Casper and Jack. That's right, Josh. Oh, this looks like Casper is good. Here comes Jack.
Casper's doing the first one to sit down. If
Who's going to get off that horse first? Come on.
Sit down.